What's up? How y'all doing? I'm back again, and we did an unboxing a little while ago of my new BP12 12 gauge semi-automatic shotgun bull pump design, and I also did a video about and I unboxed a 20 round Pro Mag uh, drum magazine for it. So I got those two put together. I actually didn't have to get any kind of machining for it to fit. I haven't taken it to the range to test it out yet, but I just kind of wanted to show you what the whole package looked like so far. And so this is like a progression with this particular weapon. Um, I have a couple of more upgrades in mind, and then we'll end up with our finished product, and we'll probably go to the range before that because I still need to kind of cycle. I'm waiting on ammo because it's like a shortage of everything. And again, like I said, we go for economical, not cheap. So I don't want to buy cheap ammo. I want to get good quality ammo at a low price. So also, as I find ammo, I'll probably let you guys know where I picked it up from, and that might help a little bit. There's a couple of online stores that I use, but you know, again, I don't want to buy any more cheap ammo. I got enough cheap ammo sitting around just in case of the zombie apocalypse, so I don't run out. But I need better stuff to keep my weapons working in tip-top shape. So let's take a look at where my bullpup is today. So this is her. Let's go over this side here. So again, didn't really require any machining to get it to work or get it to fit. A lot of the reviews had said that there was a space on the magazine catch that was too big or too small to let the magazine catch work on it. So you had to Dremel it down in order to get it to lock in. But right out the box, it worked. Once I get ammo, I will fill it up and empty it quite a few times. But I'll be hitting the range with this really soon. So this is, there we go. This is my 20 round Centurion 12 gauge semi-automatic shotgun. Yeah. Better sights. So check it out. There we go. See you guys next time.